It's not every day Jose Mourinho drops by your workplace, and employees at Jaguar Land Rover must have been stunned to see the Manchester United boss turn up. The Portuguese then explored the impressive surroundings at the £2 billion state-of-the-art plant, before putting some finishing touches to the 100,000 THF pace model in an advertisement for the car company. You need to be focused and deliver the kind of quality performance the fans have come to expect. After addressing a number of employees on the factory floor in Solihull, Mourinho set to work with a cloth, buffing up the bodywork. The feeling appeared to be mutual, as Jaguar's director of design Ian Callum said. "It's great to have one of the most successful football managers drive the F-Pace.